The vibrational stage is a part of astral projection which most people will experience. When you first astral project, you'll notice that your body starts to feel what we will call, for lack of a better term, the sensation or the experience. Now what this is different for everybody, but for most people what happens is you go to bed and you wake up in the early hours, let's say 3 or 4 a.m. When your hormones are at the right level, you want your serotonin levels to be high enough that you're aware and alert, but you want your melatonin levels to be high enough that you're going to stay in a sedated, relaxed place. And you also want your room to be dark. So let's assume that you've done all those things, right? You will experience what we will call the vibrational stage. So this is when you have woken up, you've set your alarm, you've woken up, and you're laying there going back to sleep or going into an astral projection. You're not really sleeping at this point. You're going to keep your mind awake while your body is paralyzed or vibrating, let's say, and you are going to then enter the astral realm. And you'll notice a few things when you get there. I'm going to make another video about what is on the astral realm. So if you do want to check that out, make sure to subscribe. You will start to feel at some point a vibration going through your body. Now, don't click away from this video yet because this can get a bit dangerous if you don't know what to expect and how to prepare for this. You will start to feel the sensation. Now that could be a pressing down on your chest. It could be the vibrations that I'm talking about, where your body will start to feel like it's vibrating. Now, it won't be severe vibrations. It will just be like a kind of tingling, oscillating movement back and forwards like that. Very subtle for most people. However, it can, in some people, it can be quite severe. It can even feel like it's kind of painful. It sort of varies from person to person. The one thing that is common, I would say, is that you will feel something, either tingling, a pressing down on your chest, maybe like your breathing will feel a little bit different. You might feel the vibrations, you might feel any kind of energetic sensation like that. And this will last anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. Depends how long it takes you to break through. When we break through from the physical realm to the astral realm, it can take up to 15 minutes. There are some things you can do to speed it up or to make it happen easier, more easily, more regularly. And there'll be tips for those things on my channel. But really, it's just going to feel like you're sensing something, whether it's vibrations or tingling or whatever. Now, most people at this stage will panic and freak out. And this is where I would say like a good half of people at this point will give up. They'll think it's so crazy and scary, they won't want to do it anymore. They'll give up. And so I would encourage you, if you do get to the vibrational stage, or if you're already there, you've had this experience before and you're wondering what it is, it's nothing to worry about. It just means you're very close to actually being able to astral project. You're very close to that stage where you can break through into the astral realm and go and explore the astral realm, do whatever you want to do in that place. So the vibrational stage is really quite an exciting thing, I think, for many astral projectors, because it means that you're one step closer to actually having the experience. It shouldn't be something you're scared about, because what it means is that you've done everything else right. You've done everything else right and you're so close to actually having the experience, but you just need to push through that little bit more. And that last bit is where most people give up, but it's also where nothing can really harm you. It's not going to hurt, it's not going to damage you in any way, and in many cases it's just going to be a few minutes of your time and then you're through to the astral realm. So stick with it and see what happens.